update. So just keep an eye out on that when you use demos.
Give me one.
You're good. As soon as I got here, I looked at like, yeah, I'm gonna need a heavy. It's wedged. They said they were cutting them out. So they told me the EMS, the dude about the EMS from the fire department that was out here said he cut sticks, pretty banged up, but that's about it. He's other than that, he's all right. So he had turned in and got stuck. When you do your tap, you hold it stuck like that. You have the tail sick. Yeah, it doesn't happen like that. That's the problem. But we're taking the trailer. So, one of the rocks coming the trailer, he's got fallen obviously, so we're taking the trailer. Let's just see how that corner is.
It's a lucky human there. I guess the guy's alright. Went to the hospital, but so this truck got stuck over here. And he unhooked his trailer when it's dark out, obviously. So he pulled up out of the way, left his trailer sit in the middle of the road, and this poor guy smoked it. Luckily, he swerved there at the last minute. Wasn't a direct hit. Matthew's going to get this car pulled up out of the way. This is Trent, a new guy. This car out of here. Man, that guy's lucky. He swerved right at the last minute. Otherwise, he might have taken some severe carnage to the face. That'll get this out of here, and then we'll hook that up and sling tow the trailer out of here. Pull it! right, so on the way home, I didn't have a GoPro with me for that, so I had to use my phone, so I apologize for the most likely lower quality video. And just real short, it wasn't long or anything. State Patrol called that in for light duty. A car stuck under a trailer, and so I sent Matt, and then I sat there and I told myself, I was like, I should just go, because I know, most of the time it's going to be easier if you lift the trailer to get the car out. I mean, sometimes you can drag them out, but I definitely wasn't expecting it to be under the front of the trailer. That's a first in the few years that I've been doing this. I've never had a car go under the front of one, so that was a different experience. I don't know what that driver was thinking. Truck drivers out there, if you're watching this, you get it a lot. We call them pin pullers. They get stuck and they pull the pin. They think they're going to get the truck out, and then they'll get the trailer after it. Don't do that. Just cut your losses. Have a wrecker come. Makes their job easier. In this case, it's safer. Just leave it connected. Bring it all out in one shot. If you do get it separated, then you'll have guys, they'll be out in a field facing away from the road, and they pull the pin. It's like, well, what were you going to do with the trailer, So definitely, my opinion, always leave it connected. Make everybody's life easier. So luckily, that driver of the car is, from what I understand, is okay. They had to go to the hospital, but I don't think anything life-threatening. So sad. Thankfully, he swerved at the last minute. If he would have hit that dead on, man, that could have been really bad. Then it's just scary what's out here on the roads nowadays. I didn't talk to the driver. A little bit of a language barrier, I guess, from what I was told, but owner-operator type deal. But so, yeah, on the way home, just 2:20 in the morning. Just a quick little job. I don't know if anybody will find it interesting, but if you do, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.